Good day, everyone. Les here from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is March 10, 2023, and I'll be analyzing a points bet. A lot of people have been asking my thoughts on this stock, so that's why I'm analyzing. So we're going to quickly go through the fundamental side of the stock and then after the technical side of the stock, so you can skip if you want. So just watch what is interest for you. So let's have a look. Just want to remind that this isn't a financial advice. It's just us from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, we avoid FOMO, and much more. So all in this channel. If you like, please subscribe to the channel. Also like to invite you to become a member of our free Facebook community. Go there, buy, grow, sell strategy for share traders. As you can see, there we post a lot of great quality content for our members. This is free of charge. Make sure you join us. So now let's jump straight into Pointsbet. First of all, I just want to quickly take a look on what's happening with the financial side of the company, why the stock has been falling so much over the last 18 months. And obviously, this is a growth and tech stock. It is in a sector that has been taking enormous pressure as a result of multiple interest rates in US, in Australia. So obviously, because this is a company that is currently cash flow negative, then the investors tend to sell the stock a lot. But then we have a very interesting chart formation, which we call a reversal, and that's why I wanted to go in deep on this stock. But first of all, what we need to understand is the financial metrics and the growth prospect. So the company has been investing a lot to expand in Canada, continue expanding US, but the problem of investing a lot to expand, we saw what happened with Zip. They have actually to start trimming its expansion in order to be able to save capital. And then I was just wondering how Pointsbet will be moving forward from now. But saying that, it is a growth stock, a tech stock, and once inflation is under control, it's very likely that we will see a rally on this type of stock. And Pointsbet is one of them, very well established business. Problem with this first half of 2023, this analysis as per the FY23, is that the EBITDA has increased its loss dramatically. When I talk about dramatically, say 18% loss, and the company switched from being cash flow positive to cash flow negative in order to finance its expansion, and that obviously became a problem. And the current market environment, investors really don't care. They just don't want to hold anything that is posing high risk for the short term. And this is Pointsbet fundamental aspects, and I'm going to go in detail what Pointsbet does. You probably should know by now if you're interested on the stock. So just go on the website and we'll see. Now, from the technical perspective, first thing we need to have is all our indicators on the screen. So if you've been following us, make sure you have, and you like the way we trade, like our strategy, make sure you have all the indicators. The indicators is just going to quickly go through the indicators. SMA 40, SMA 250. Also, I would like to display on the Heikenach most of the time, except for this analysis, and I'm going to show you why. Okay. And obviously, the lower indicator, the volume. Very important, okay? Now, what I wanted to find here are signs of reversals. That's what I wanted to find out here. And we have seen one very strong reversal. And that was exactly when the company released its FY23 half one results. And that was right here on the 28th. So basically, the stock went down, and I'm back on the candle chart. The stock went down all the way to $1, like 104, and then it closed up on 130, showing a very classic hangman reversal indicator. But as a confirmation of this reversal, the following day, we also have a pretty good rally. There was about 20% rally on the following day. As you can see right here, 17% pretty much. Yeah, almost 20%. And then that confirms what we have, a reversal here using classic technical analysis indicators. So if you're familiar with technical analysis, you will understand what I'm saying here. Furthermore, I just wanted to show you as well what happened with the last time we had a reversal, but saying that this last reversal wasn't as strong as this one. Last time after the reversal, we have a rally of 30%, pretty much 30%, okay? This time, we could have a rally of 50%, giving or taking, from this green candle here. That's what I'm expecting here. So 50% would give us would put the stock back above $2 as a hypothetical target for that stock on the midterm, not the long term. So we'd be putting the stock back above $2. And obviously today the market's falling really badly. Like the whole the ASX 200 is falling over 2%, 2.2% now as we speak. But Pointsbet is kind of holding reasonably well at the moment, and this chart formation really suggests a potential reversal from now on. So what I wanted to wait is to see whether we might go a little bit around this sort of $1.30 level, and then potentially even buy the position. Again, like it is a high risk stock, but every time we want to buy is open reversals. Okay, and if the market has taught to us anything, is that reversal are a very strong way to find out best entry opportunities. Furthermore, we can combine that with BGS 20 indicators to appraise whether the stock is at the buying area or is actually at the FOMO area. And in this case, as you can see, the candles are currently trading about 36% below the SMA 250 and 5% below the SMA 40, which means for BGS 20 strategy that the stock is trading at technically discounted price, which is exactly where we wanted to be buying this stock. Now, the risks are further degradation on tech and growth sector, with like tech sector and growth stocks, with Fed continuously to hike interest rates further than expected. Also, the company depreciate more its value due further losses for the full year. So obviously now there was a significant value found around this sort of level. So the stock has a very good value around $1.40 as proved by this reversal candle, and is still trading at technically discounted price. So interesting stock to look at. Not saying that you should be buying this. I'm just saying this is an interesting opportunity, and if we ever looking to buy stock is when it's when we have this very strong reversal confirmation. The problem with this is the fundamentals are weak and poses high risk for this stock. So if you are someone that sort of not only look into the technical side but also on the fundamental side, I would say that this is have a high risk, but the technical side has showed that we have opportunity with a strong reversal here. I love reversals. Reversals tend to work most of the time, especially when our reversals open this very strong sort of volume. Okay, this is my thoughts on PointsBet, ASX code PBH. So hope you enjoy. Let us know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.